Hey everyone, in this video, we'll be taking a look on how you can see deleted messages on Instagram. It's a pretty simple process and this is how you can do it. So first you're going to do is log in into the account that you want to view the deleted messages for. Let's say I want to view the messages for this account right here. I click on the bottom right corner to go into my profile. Once you tap on that, click on the three bars on the top right corner. Once you tap on that, you will get all these various options. Now, for the older versions of Instagram, it should have been done through settings and privacy. But for now, if you have the updated version, you can go ahead and click on your activity. Once you tap on that, you can scroll down and see an option where it says download your information. This is usually the last option available under your activity. Once you tap on that, you will get a bunch of options wherein you can request a download of your information. Just click on request download and select the account that you want to request data download from. So you will basically be downloading all the data, whether it be chats, whether it be some posts you've liked. Now that is something that we were going to do. We're going to be recovering our data. Now once you've selected the account that you want to recover messages from, just click on next, and once you tap on that, you will get two options. You can either get a complete copy or select the types of information that you want to download. Now just tap on select type of information because we don't want everything to be downloaded. That will take a lot of time and it is not very efficient as well. So once you tap on that, you will get all these various options. Since it is messages that we want to view, just tap on messages, click on next, and under here you will get a bunch of options wherein you can select the format. Make sure it is in HTML because you will only be able to read messages through this format. Once you tap on that and you've selected the correct formats, just click on submit request. So as you can see, I have got an email where it says your meta download request is in process, and once that is done, the pending download will go away and I will get a button wherein I can download my information. So once you get the email and you have successfully requested a download, go back to your profile again, click on the top right corner again, click on your activity again, and scroll down and tap on download your information. Once you tap on that, as you can see, I have a download available. Just download the data, and yeah, it'll ask you for the password. Type in the password and click on continue. That's it. You can now view your deleted messages pretty easily. And yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.